What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a hat. But before we get into that, I just want to introduce you guys to my new and brand new BabyLock Venture 10 needle embroidery machine. Yes, I have made a upgrade. It has been a long time coming, about a year and a half or so, but I have made an upgrade. I will show you guys some of the features, the hoops, and just some of the accessories that came with the machine or that I bought for the machine. So I will show you that. So stay tuned to the video and let's get into it. All right. So right now what I have connected is the hat compartment. This is a brand new hat compartment, which is called almost like a 360 hat hoop. It goes all the way from brim to brim. And also I'm able to embroider the back of the hat as well. So here is the compartment right here. And let me just show you real quick some of the features. I'll just turn the machine on, back it up for you guys real quick. Of course, you're always going to get the message of having to oil the machine before everything gets started. Let me... Perfect. So yeah, this is the brand new machine. I'll zoom up a little bit. As you can see, of course, the numbers all the way from 1 to 10. And behind it, you'll see everything as far as the colors. The 10 colors you can put back there and behind it. The 10 needles. Let's back it up. And yeah, everything is pretty much basic. So what I went ahead and did with this was I bought extra hoops, and I bought something called fast frame. So we're definitely going to get into that later on down the line. So have fast frames, also have 2 hoops, which is going to definitely make it easier for when embroidering hats, where I can just switch and swap out the hoops real fast. As soon as one design is done, take it off, swap it out, go to the next hat. So I did buy that. That did not come with the machine. Of course, both of the hoops didn't come with the machine. That's extra that you have to pay for it. Like I said, also the fast frames, also the frames that did come with the machine, which is one of the biggest frames. I'll show you guys now. Well, this is just a hoop right here. And this is the 14x8 frame. Huge. Can't wait to use this to embroider and come up with some great ideas to put on some hats. I mean, sorry about that, not hats, but on some shirts, hoodies, and different things like that. So be ready for the winter season, guys. I definitely got some new stuff that'll be dropping soon once we get there. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics. Let's go over to the, we can go over to the screen. Okay, so we are at the screen. And yeah, just able to look at the designs. It gives you a more real-time view. So usually it's just a plain picture, but now it converts all of the pictures into stitches. So when it pops up on the screen, it looks more like the actual stitch out instead of just the picture or the small frame of what the design might look like in a more of a picture form. So, but yeah, everything is great. The machine is working fine. I've been using it. It looks amazing. So, and I'll show you a quick preview of how to thread the machine as well. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you're still here watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. So I'm just going to give you a general walkthrough real quick without me actually threading it. So let's say if you wanted to go through the number 9 hoop or number 9 thread needle. So up here you have 9, and some of the threads also have those in the back, which are 10, 8, and 6. And as you come over, you'll see in the back 1, 3 and 5. So some of them are starting in the back, some of them starting in the front. So let's come back over here. Sorry about the camera movement, but it's just me. I'm trying to get it together and show you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna do it without the thread. So for number 9, you'll go through or behind here. Number 9, across to here. When you come across to here, come down right here. From there, you're gonna go behind here, under, make sure it clip under there. Sorry, make sure you clip under there, and then come down. And then from there, you're gonna go around there, come down and follow the arrow, as you can see, through here. From there, come down here. And when you're moving down, you're gonna go down and up and through this piece, the small hole, pull it through. And then you'll see the numbers also aligned right here. Gonna go down here, pull it through. And then that's when you get back here, and this is usually just the basics of all of them. It's just, of course, it's 10 needles. These are already threaded. Just have to do 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'll show you 7 real quick. Hold on. Okay, so when you are ready to go ahead and thread the bottom, what you will do is go over to the screen. From the screen, click the number that you want to switch it to. So I want to do number 7. This is the one that I want to thread. As you just heard the machine move, so I'm going to let you guys see that part. Hold on. So like I said, you just go over to the one that you want to be threaded, press the number. So now it moves over to 7 position. So let's zoom in. Zoom in a little bit more. Well, that should probably be good. So from there, it's a special tool you'll use to push. Sorry, it's a special tool you'll use to push the thread through, as you can see. So you'll take your number 7, line it up, push it behind it, and now it's in front. Just make sure you guys saw that. So, and from there, it's a button on the machine you'll press. It'll let the little lever down. I'll show you that again. It will let that lever down, and that's your auto threader. And from the auto threader, what you'll do is hold it from here. Let's see, back it up a little. You'll hold it here, swing it through that hoop or the loop that's right here, bring it up to your numbering position and pull. It's going to rip off. Press it. Now number 7 is threaded. So now, since we already have 8 threaded as well, let's go ahead and do number 8. So move it over to the next position. I'll show you guys that real quick. Perfect. Did you see it? Hope you saw it. And perfect. So from there, press your button, hoop it, make sure everything is still connected. Perfect. Come up, find the position, and just pull. From there, it threads itself. So it's pretty self-explanatory, of course, with all the numbers and the directions and pictures that shows you the arrows of which way to go. Just gotta follow directions. That's about it. But other than that, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I have other hoops and stuff that can be shown, but that'll be later down the line. Okay, so this is the color hat that I'm going to use. And before I go ahead and get everything all the way set up, I just want to show you guys this real quick. So with the whole hat assessment and hoop and everything, these smaller clips came with the hat. So it's 4 of them, 2 for each side. Of course, to pull your hat, you don't want any play up in this area. So you always want to make sure that everything is pulled tightly.